Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, in last class we have discussed the topic number name. So now in this class we are the discuss the topic place value. Okay, so what is a place value? What is a place value means the product of the product of the place and face value. Okay, understood? What is a place value means the product of the place and face value. Okay, what is a product? Product means multiplication. Okay, for example, now I am taking a number. Now you don't write, first listen carefully. Now you don't write in your notebook. Okay, listen carefully. 3456. Now given number like this. In this given number for this is place and this is face value and this is place value. Okay. So now here, now I am writing here 5. So now why 5 in which place having? Now first listen carefully. Now I am writing place values ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now in tens place 5 is there. So the place of 5 is equal to tens. The place of 5 is equal to tens. Understood? What is a face value? Face value, the number itself. Okay. So the 5 is, the face value of 5 is 5 only. The face value of 6, 6 only. The face value of 3, 3 only. The face value of 2, 2. So now the number not at all change. Okay. So the face value of 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Understood? What is a place value? So now here place value means the product of the place and face value. So now here they given here underline 5. So now what is the place value of 5? So now here 5 into 10 face value and place. Now product means multiplication. So now here 10 into 5, 10 5s are 50. Now the answer is 50. Okay, understood all of you? Now here for example one more problem, 7896. 7896. Now in this given problem for here, now I underline 8. Now I underline 8. So now what is the place of 8? What is the place of 8? Now I am writing here place values ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now the place of 8 is in which place having here? Hundreds. Now I am writing here hundreds. Understood? Okay. Now the face value of 8. The face value of 8, 8 only. Okay. The number itself. Now what is the place value of 8? Place value means nothing but a product of place and face value. So here 100 into 8 or 8 into 100. 800s are 800. Okay. So now I am writing here 800. Understood all of you? Okay, understood? Now one more problem I am explaining. Don't write anything. Look at the board. Look at the board clear. 3152. In this 3. Now underline 3. So now underline number, now we can find out the place. Underline number, we can find out the face value and face value. Face value and place value. So now here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now 3 in which place having here? 1000. Now I am writing here 1000. Here only you can write place, means write in words. Okay. Now here what is the face value of 3? What is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? 3 only. Why? Because the number itself. So now I am writing here 3. So face value compulsory in 1 digit number. Okay, understood? Compulsory in 1 digit number. Now what is a place value of 3? What is a place value of 3? Here place 1000, face value 3. 1000 into 3 or 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000, 3000. Now I am writing here 3000. Okay, understood all of you? What is the difference between place, face and place value? Place means we can write the position of a number. Okay, understood? What is a face means? You can write exact number, underline number exact you can write here. Okay, what is a place value means? Place value means you can write place into face value. Okay, product we can write into place value. Okay, understood all of you? Understood? One more problem I am explaining here. Zero. So now here underline 0. So now what is a place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now here 0 in which place having here? Tens. Now I am writing here tens. What is a face value? Face value of 0? 0. 0 tens are 0. Okay, understood all of you? 0 tens are 0. So now this is a place, face value and place value. Understood? So now all of you take your homework book. Take your homework book all of you. And write the question. And write the question. Thirty-nine. Write today's date 39. And here question 3000. First here write. Draw the box. Take a pencil and draw the box. Draw the box. Here number, here place, face value, and place value. Okay. Now here a bit, five. Now underline 5. What is a place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now here write hundreds. What is a face value? 5. 5 into 100, 500. Okay, understood? So now likewise you can write your homework. Now I am given B bit. Seven, C bit, eight. Okay, understood? So write these two problems and take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. And take your diary, all of you. Take your diary. Write today's date 39 and day Wednesday. Okay, and max diary work. Do given problems in homework book. Okay, the given problems you can write in your homework book. Okay, note down all of you and write with neat handwriting and take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Thank you.